galvanizing line. It comprises the following: entry group with 2 payoff reels, welding machine, entry accumulator, cleaning section, annealing furnace, zinc pot with air knives, induction furnace for galvannealed grades, cooling zone, and strip accumulator. Skin pass mill, tension leveler, roll coater for post-treatment, and exit accumulator. Trimming shear, inspection section, oiling machine, separating shear, and finally 2 tension reels. The system will contain up to 3 kilometers of strip between the entry and exit groups.